Hello, Facebook family and friends. This is Edwin Cabrera coming to you live from Manassas, Virginia. How you doing? Hope all is well. I'm really happy. I hope you saw my last video about balance. I was at the gym earlier today, working out, doing some core and some bicycling. I haven't been on a bike in a long time. But anyway, I'm very excited to show you what I just received in the mail. Hey, James, how you doing? I just received what I was waiting for. Guess what? It is called a Ledger Nano. I don't know if you can see that because of the light. Ledger Nano. It is a cryptocurrency hardware wallet, which means basically, in order to secure your cryptocurrencies, any cryptocurrencies, this holds up to 29 different cryptocurrencies. So you could take them off of the internet, let's say, and put them on an offline wallet. And let me show it to you. This is what it comes. So as I open this, it's basically, this is what comes in it. It's basically a little, it's a USB drive. Hey, Rolando, I got a Ledger Nano. This is a USB drive, which basically, of course, again, you plug it into your computer. And any cryptocurrency, this is basically for long-term storage, let's say. If you're going to do things back and forth and you're going to, put you're going to use your cryptocurrency, you don't really need this. But if you're going to save it, because I recommend that you do both, that you have some cryptocurrency that you're using for daily use, but you take some and you put it away and you forget about it, because come whatever 5-10 years from now, who knows how much money what you have saved will be worth, or even a few years from now, so you want to be able to keep that safely in a place that nobody can get to, and that's offline. Anything else that's online, basically, you use these exchange platforms. Remember, you have to go to an exchange platform to exchange your fiat, any kind of dollars, euros, whatever, into any cryptocurrency that you want. After you use the cryptocurrency, you want to bring it back, you have to go back to the exchange, take your cryptocurrency, go back to the exchange and trade it again, or transfer it over to fiat, so then they can send it over to your bank account and you can use it. Okay, so that's what you get. Plus you get, very important, you get a little USB connector to connect you to your connected to your computer. But here's the important part. You get a little thing to hook your USB on there so you don't lose this. Put this somewhere that's very secure. This is money, basically. When you think about it, you're putting your money in here. If you put it here and you lose this, voila, haha. If you lose it, you lose your cryptocurrency. There is no way to retrieve this on the blockchain or do anything like that. So the only way to get it back online is through your ledger. And if you lose your ledger, you lose your crypto. Very, very important. So make sure that you tie it up here, you hook it onto somewhere, and you put it in a safe somewhere, in a safe that you could keep, because that's again, that's going to be your crypto. And it's already happened. If you've heard stories of people who have had crypto, forgot about it, didn't realize that they had tens of thousands of dollars in there, lost in their computer somewhere. I'm sure some people have heard those stories and have probably even done it. So this is a safe way of securing your crypto. Plus, I'm an affiliate with this program. I like this, but I'm an affiliate with it. I'm going to put my link in there. If you're interested in buying one of these, buy it through my link, because you're going to get a discount. And basically, everything online, it can be done through affiliate programs. Here's another point of view. Here's another point that you should know. Even Best Buy has an affiliate program. Of course, Amazon has an affiliate program. You could buy directly from Best Buy, or you can buy from a person who is connected to them, so they become affiliates. All the major companies are using and doing affiliate programs. So if you like a particular company, you may want to be an affiliate for them. Your friends like it, they may want to buy. It's better to buy it from your affiliate. You get a little percentage, then just go directly to the company. They're offering this on many levels. Most companies offer an affiliate program. This is a way of making money online. An affiliate, basically, you're so-called salesperson. So you're selling, or you're representing, you're not representing, you're basically an independent representative of that company. So you just put out a link, or you put out the information. If people go through that link, you get a certain percentage. Same thing with Amazon. If you sell stuff off from Amazon, you get a certain percentage. So that's an affiliate program. That's how you can sell stuff and not have stuff and not have to send it, or package it, or put it, send it through the mail. You basically, they do all the outsourcing and everything else. They do all that work. All you're doing is basically putting it out there so people can see that you like a particular product, and that you're promoting the product. That's an affiliate program, basically. Now, it's like, do you get money when you recommend a movie or a restaurant? No. So that affiliate programs basically say, hey, look, you recommend our product, then we'll give you a little kickback, let's say. So that's an affiliate program, and that's a Ledger Nano. And that's a little bit of information I wanted you all to have. Hey, Wayne, how you doing? All right, great. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys put a little comment, put a little like, put a little face, put a little heart, put a little pop. Hey, David, thank you for joining me. Because Facebook will keep this video on if people like it. If not, they store it and forget about it. Thank you for the hearts and the likes. I appreciate that. All right, there you go. Feel the love. Feel the love. All right, David, you get a little bit out of hand here. All right. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Take care. This is Edwin Cabrera signing off here in Manassas, Virginia.